If I ask you that what is Big Bang Theory, I see many of you will still answer that it is a theory in science that explains the origin of our universe, according to which a big explosion happened in space about 13.8 billion years back in the past. But my man, it's not like that.
Hey, welcome back to my channel Aesthetics of Cosmos. I am Raghav Kumawat, an integrated PhD research fellow at IISA Bhopal, continuing my series on cosmology. So, the Big Bang Theory as a big explosion in space is a big misconception between people. Actually, the word Big Bang is itself misleading. There nothing banged or exploded in the pre-existing space in the Big Bang Theory, which is also known as the standard model of cosmology. Rather, it is an accelerating expansion of space itself. Yes, the space is expanding और अंतरिक्ष फैल रहा है पर एक्सप्लोजन और एक्सपेंशन में अंतर क्या है एक्चुअली वी लिव इन थ्री स्पेशल डायमेंशंस लेट अस कंसीडर टू स्पेशल डायमेंशंस और से टू डायमेंशनल यूनिवर्स so in the expansion for this observer every point around it will be observed as going far away from perspective of one point. From one point every other points will be going far from it. But in explosion, suppose here is my observer and here is the explosion point. So some particles will be coming towards this observer and some particles will be going away from observer. This is the main basic difference between expansion, in which everything, every particle, every point is going away from it. But in explosion, some will be coming towards you and some will be going away from you. And in 1929, similar thing happened with Edwin Hubble. What he observed that in whichever direction he looked, every galaxy was receding away from us. Every galaxy was moving away from us. But हम यहाँ पे बैठे बैठे पूरे ब्रह्मांड के एक्सपेंशन के बारे में कैसे बता सकते हैं? मतलब ऐसा हो सकता है कि हमारे आसपास ही ऐसा हो रहा हो कि गैलेक्सीज हमसे दूर जा रही हो किसी कारण, बट स्पेस का एक्सपेंशन क्यों? Actually, what Hubble observed was that the light coming from those galaxies was red-shifted. Redshift means the wavelength of light gets stretched when the objects move away. So this can only happen is if the space itself is expanding, due to which the light gets stretched. So now, why redshift? Redshift means shifting towards the red color. Red color has greater wavelength, and blue light has the lower wavelength. If some light is red shifted, means the light is getting stretched or the wavelength is getting longer. And if the light is blue shifted, this means the wavelength is getting shorter. So what Hubble found was that every galaxy was red shifted. So redshift isn't just about motion. It's a proof that space itself is expanding. Galaxies aren't just flying through the space, but are carried by it through the expansion. Redshift also helps us know about the history of our universe. The more is the redshift of the light, the more distant objects we can see, and the farther back in time we can see. The cosmic microwave background radiation is the most redshifted light we have been ever observing till date. पर एक सेकेंड, अगर सब कुछ एक्सपेंड कर रहा है तो हम क्यों नहीं?